So Elena and I are going to unbox the Virtual Explorer Antopia Adventure, which contains an ant farm, some augmented reality cards from the look of it, and some virtual reality content as well. So Elena, do you want to start opening the box and we'll see what's inside? Okay. What have we got?
A headset.
A headset. What's that? That's an ant farm.
Ant farm.
Ant farm, yeah.
Nothing else in it except this.
No, I think there's something else there. What have we got?
Some ant cards.
Alright, let's unbox these then. Okay, so we've unboxed everything now, and you actually get quite a lot inside this kit. Now, bear in mind, I picked this up from a discount toy store here in Dubai for 39 dirhams, which is, it's about $10 US, or about, say about £8 UK. So you can see that there really is quite a lot of stuff coming in the kit. So you've got a small ant farm and the equipment that you need to build the ant farm. So we're going to do that later on.
Yeah.
Yep. Then you've got the headset. Now, I'm actually quite impressed with this headset. It's not a cardboard headset. You know, it's made out of quite sturdy plastic. Nice, durable design. Obviously, it's not got any advanced features of some of the high-level mobile VR headsets, and it does have a really nice, easy-to-use latching system. And it, interestingly, also has the see-through front, and that's because the cards down here, according to the instructions that we've just looked at, the cards act to trigger the VR experiences from one side, and then on the other side they've got augmented reality experiences that you can still view through the headset in a kind of mixed reality sort of way. So we're looking forward to trying that out in a moment. And then the last thing that you get is this quite large information sheet with lots of information about ants and ant culture and biology of ants, and that's double-sided as well. So for the price that I paid, I really think you've got quite a lot for the money there. I'm not sure what the original retail price was, but if you can find one of these, it could well be worth picking up for use in your classrooms. Should we try the app?